What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a beautiful knife in front of me, and this is going to be the final review for it. But this is going to be the Bridgeport Knife Co. 1827 FL. The FL stands for frame lock. This has been just a great knife to carry around for the past week. I was very surprised at how much I actually liked it, more than I thought I would. When I first kind of was able to, I guess, get it and handle it and everything like that, I did, or I guess originally saw it, I didn't think I was going to really care for it a lot. Then when I got it, kind of got it in hand and everything like that, and it's just been a phenomenal knife, and it's got some buttery smooth action. It feels good in my hand. Great jimping, great blade, great look. Overall, it's been a phenomenal knife, and I think the price tag on this thing is $245, and I would almost say it's worth every penny just because of how just smooth and nice it is. Like, I don't know why. Like, it's very, like, almost like it's almost just like plain looking. Like, I don't know why. That's not really a good word because it's absolutely not plain. Like, it's a phenomenal knife, but it's got no, like, any markings, any words, any symbols or anything on it. And I think I kind of like that. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, I don't mind, like, if they have, like, the steel of the knife blade are on there, like, real small, or, you know, maybe that's like a small little insignia or something like that, something small, like. But when they overdo it and everything like that, obviously it ruins the look of it. But you know what? And it's almost like it's too plain, but it's also stupid, like the stupid nice all at the same time. Like, it's this cool, nice, nothing on it. You just get to enjoy a straight knife, no little markings or whatever, you know. It's just a great, smooth, buttery action knife. It's kind of funny because the handle and the blade is a rough stone-washed blade and scale from the website, and I thought that was kind of funny. They added the roughed, it's roughed stone washed. But I think it looks phenomenal, though. I think it really does look good. Now, it's also got, obviously, the titanium frame lock, titanium back spacer, and titanium pocket clip. Now, let's kind of zoom in on that real quick. As you can see, I already showed you on the first impressions, but if you look at the milling on it, like, that is all the way around the knife on the outside, as you can see. Like, it's phenomenal. That's the little detail I think that kind of sold me on it. And like, even on the frame lock right there, you can see it right there. It has a little bit of texturing right there, which I didn't even see that at first when I first did my first impressions. I don't think I saw that at first. And also the back spacer, like, it's got milling on it also. There we go. See, and it's a phenomenal knife. The pocket clip is it's pretty stiff, I'll tell you that. You might tear up some jeans trying to get this sucker in, but you ain't gonna have to worry about it bending on you. But again, look, see, milling on the pocket clip is top notch, phenomenal. Whew! I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Now, in order to open this, as you've seen, you have the finger hole right there. You know, reverse flip very, very well. And obviously, you're not going to really be able to do the thumb a whole lot. But the front flipper is what kind of sold me on it. Very, very nice. And what I don't get to do with a lot of knives is when I just use my finger right here, and I'm able to actually, you know, before I did the video, I could flip it open like that. Now oh man, I jinxed myself is what it is. There. I can't do that very well. I don't know if it's like my fingers are short or something like that. I don't know. Not many of my front flippers I can do that. Man, okay, I did this like 20 times in a row before I started this stupid video. And now I can't do it at all. I did it once. Okay, I'm not going to bore the crap out of you guys trying to do that. That's kind of bogus. I cannot believe I just... There we go. You got to get that sweet spot is what it is. See, there we go. You got to find that sweet spot, and that's why it takes time to kind of adjust the knife sometimes, to learn them, kind of get the feel for them. And then, it's like all day, every day. Now, for the steel, like I said, there's nothing written on this, so I actually had to look it up. This is a 20 CV, which I like 20 CV. I've never had a problem with it. Usually, you know, it stays pretty sharp. I have a couple knives, and they do phenomenal for 20 CV. Let's get a blade length and everything for you, too, and an overall. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so overall for the cutting edge is about 3.1. We'll go 3.1. And the overall is about 7. almost 7.6. Here, no, actually, hold on. Well, 7.6. We'll go with that. So it's not a bad little blade. Like it's a little big, but not like over big. Like it's good. I would say it's just a good average size blade that this is going to feel great in your hand. Again, I talked about the jimping. I love the jimping on this knife. It's phenomenal. Again, I can't say that word enough. Apparently, this feels good in your hand. The whole knife feels good. The ergos on this knife feel great. Again, like I said, it is $245, so it is a little expensive, but for quality, like it's almost worth it. Now, if it's going to be like a knife you don't carry all the time, I would have to say it would be, because I was very, very, very surprised by this. Because like I said, when I first saw this, like on the internet, looking around, looking at different websites, whatever, finding it, I'm like, that looks all right. Like it don't look the best to me. And even when I borrowed this, like I was like, it looks like it's going to be all right, but yeah, I'm going to just take it, just check it out. And it's phenomenal. Like it's not a knife that you would be disappointed by. One thing I also liked is that obviously the pocket clip is reversible, and they put that filler tab in there, which is obviously nice. Some knife companies don't always do that, but I like when they do that. Or when they have like the wire pocket clips on both sides, obviously like the holes, and they put that screw in on the other side to kind of cover it up a little bit. I think that's always a fine touch when knife companies do that. Let's get a weight real quick for you too, real quick. Get my trusty scale out. Alright. Not bad. 3.6. Like I said, like weight's not necessarily a big thing for me. But I guess maybe if you get into some of the bigger knives, like mid guards, some knives like that. I haven't got to handle anything like that, like where it's overbuilt and overkilled. I kind of want to try to handle one, just to check it out, just to see how well it like feels in my hand. But maybe one day, yeah. But it does really, like the ergos on this knife, like it doesn't really look. I don't know. I felt like it didn't look that well, like it was going to look well on my hand or feel well, and it really does. Like it's great in my hand. You also have a small little choil right there for sharpening. You're not going to obviously put your finger up there because it's going to light you up if that's the case. I don't know if there's much more to say about it. First mount premium. This is their first premium design though. Apparently they had a more budget-friendly knife or something like that. I was just looking up some general information on it, like just stuff like that. And apparently this is the first premium design. So I guess that was kind of cool. I think they knocked it out of the park, if that's true. That's all I really got. I don't think there's anything else. But if you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. If you have a comment or something like that, just leave a comment down in the comment section. I can't say much more about this thing. Even the blade is centered. The screws are actually, hold on. I did not do that. I think most of these screws are T8 and T10. Okay, it's T8s. Yeah, again, T8. Yeah, they're T8. See, like it's an overall great knife. I do suggest it is $245. I suggest it is a good knife. It's built well. No hardly any screws. Like it's a great knife, I think. I don't know. That's my go on it. But have a great rest of your day.